Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somali coming on here with another video. You guys, look at my curls. Look at this lace. Can you believe that this wig is 2 years old? If you look at my YouTube profile picture, this is that exact same wig. This is the exact same wig that I used for my hair giveaway. And yeah, I'm just here to show y'all, listen, popping. When you invest in quality, you can use the same thing over and over again. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got these bomb wand curls on my 2-year-old deep curly 28-inch wig, then just keep on watching because my arms is tired, okay? Watch the whole video. So we are just finishing off my crown section, and what you want to do is thoroughly detangle your hair by brushing it, and then I'm gonna take my Aussie Freeze spray and just spray that section because we want a nice tight curl and a hold. And I have my wand temperature on 410 degrees. As you can see, I'm twisting the hair as well as twisting the rod. Okay, I'm going to show you more throughout the video, but you want to hold the curl so that it maintains the heat and it kind of holds the curl, if that makes any sense. And we're just doing the same thing all over again. But as you can see, I'm twisting the hair as I am twisting it on the rod. So you don't want to just flatly wrap the hair around. You're not making a curl. You're making a wand curl, not a flat curl. So make sure you twist that hair on the rod. Practice. Hey, left foot up, right foot up. That's my jam. Guys, when you hold the curl, you're giving the hair an opportunity to cool down. And when it cools down, it's going to give you a better curl. Okay, that's a better explanation. So as you can see, I'm just sectioning. Oh my God, I can't talk. I'm just sectioning that portion off. Detangling. Tangling. As you can see, you see that twist? Make sure you twist it on. Hold that curl. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. And we're just getting into that middle section, because I'll probably show you guys a few hairstyles at the end of this video, so just stay tuned. Such a perfectionist. Gotta get it straight down the middle. Gotta be cute for you guys. You guys see this makeup? I do this for you, okay? I love you guys. I want to look good for you guys. I want to look cute for you guys. Zoomed in on it so you can get a full view. Do you see that lace though? Okay. So as you guys can see, it's very repetitive. You're doing the same thing over and over again. But the technique is what matters. Okay? And that's a nice little close-up for you guys to show you to twist, okay? I'm gonna keep saying that. Twist it. Twist it real good. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Okay. So now we have made it to our last section. Thank God, because my arms hurt. Like, y'all don't know. Carve out some time to do this because it takes time. It takes patience. You're holding each curl on the rod for about 10 to 15 seconds. So just think about that when you decide to attempt this look. And as you can see, I forgot a piece. But we back at it. All right, all right. Ooh, it looks like a bird's nest back there. But you know what? Once we separate these curls, it's gonna look better. I didn't know how the back looked, but we ain't worried about it. We gonna do a side part or we gonna do a middle part? Which one? Y'all know I love me some side parts. Okay. How many times I'm gonna say okay? Okay. And we're just separating our curls. I don't want to separate it too much because I don't want to get too much frizz. I could have used some oil to separate it, but I kind of didn't want to weigh down my hair. But being that it's deep curly hair, I normally put a lot of like conditioner or oil in my curly hair, but in my straight hair I don't, because I don't want it weighed down. But as you can see, real cute, real cute. Ah. Oh my God, I am loving these curls. Now you can see what I mean about the back. You can't even tell. It looks good. Once you separate those curls, it looks nice and full, honey. Yes. 2 years old. Go ahead, baby. You better than a 2-year-old. All right. So I guess we're doing the side part first. Yes. Who that? Who is that? Yes. Okay, now we are getting into our second hairstyle, which is the middle part. This is why I love frontals. Make sure you guys go to www.thepulchricollection.com and check out the quality hair. It is the best hair I have ever purchased in my life. 2 years old. Bomb.com. Yes. Middle part, come through, come through. All right. Okay. Profile. All right. Close up on the lace. Okay, and now it looks like we're getting into style number 3. All right, all right. Middle up. Okay, real cute. Yes, style number 3. Yes. All right, with the serious face, get into it. And this is just optional. Like, you could put it up in a little bun. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you guys love my hair because I love it. I hope that my curls last throughout the weekend. It is Thursday. I'm getting ready to take my real estate license test, so I'll be studying, but I wanted to get this video out to you guys. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, say something, say hi. I really like when you guys engage with me. Say hi, say hello, blow a kiss, drop a heart, and make sure you are subscribed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.